हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू बैंकिंग अफेयर्स। इस वीडियो में हम मार्च लास्ट वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। ये वीडियो काफ़ी समय के बाद आ रहा है और अप्रैल मंथ में एक भी वीडियो नहीं आया है, तो वो वीडियो भी बहुत जल्द अपलोड किया जाएगा। ओके, तो चलिए इस वीडियो पे डिस्कस करते हैं। ओके, ये पहला क्वेश्चन है, एज पर द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट ऑफ ICRA, व्हाट इज़ द प्रोजेक्टेड GDP ग्रोथ रेट फॉर इंडिया इन द 2022 एंड 23 फाइनेंशियल ईयर। ओके, तो इसके लिए करेक्ट GDP ग्रोथ रेट का प्रोजेक्शन है 7.2%। ओके, 7.2%। हु हैज़ बीन फीचर्ड एज द वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट सेल्फ मेड बिलियनर एज 40 एंड अंडर एज per Harun report for 2022. So this is Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook. Okay, Facebook group. RBI Governor Saktikant Das has recently dedicated as inked manufacturing unit Varenica is in which place? Okay, so this is Varenica is a ink manufacturing unit. So this is in Mysore. Okay, Mysore. Who among the following has been featured in the Time 100 Impact Award 2022? So this is Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone. Which city has topped the most noise polluted city globally according to the recent annual Frontier Report 22 published by UNEP? Okay, so this is Dhaka. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Okay, Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. Okay, Sheikh Hasina. What is the GDP growth projection of India in financial year 22 as per UNCTAD? Okay, so this is 4.6%. Okay, 4.6%. Where is the Reserve Bank India Innovation Hub located? So Reserve Bank India का Innovation Hub कहाँ पे located है? तो यह है बेंगलुरु. Okay, Bangalore. Parle Mandal has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of which bank? So this is CSB Bank. Okay, CSB Bank. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development के हिसाब से भारत के फाइनेंशियल 22-23 में GDP ग्रोथ का प्रोजेक्शन क्या है? सो यह है 8.1%. 8.1%. What is the projected GDP growth rate of India in the fiscal year 22-23 as per Fitch? Fitch ने क्या अनुमान लगाया है नई फाइनेंशियल ईयर के लिए? तो यह है 8.5%. 8.5%. The Auto First application has been launched by which bank to offer fully automated auto loans? So this is launched by HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank. What is the India's rank in the United Nations World Happiness Report for the year 22? So भारत की रैंक है 136. Rajesh Gopinathan is the MD and CEO of which company? So this is TCS. TCS. TCS stands for Tata Consultancy Service. Who is the head of Tata? So this is N Chandrasekaran. Okay, N Chandrasekaran. Uday Kotak recently announced to step down as chairman from the board of which company? So this is Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Service. Okay, Infrastructure Leasing and Financial Services. Indian Union Minister Piyush Goyal has recently inaugurated an Indian Jewelry Exposition Center building in which city? So this is in Dubai. Dubai. Which state has topped under the best state category at the 3rd National Water Award? So this is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath ji and Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Srimati Anandiben Patel. Okay, Anandiben Patel. Dr. Renu Singh has been appointed as the next director of Forest Research Institute. So this institute located in Dehradun. Okay, Dehradun. Which of the following transport behemoth has announced the appointment of Indian-born Raj Subramaniam as its head? So this is फेडएक्स, ओके। फेडएक्स ने भारत में जन्मे राज सुब्रमण्यम को अपना हेड बनाया है। विच प्लेयर हैज़ वॉन द फार्मूला 122 सऊदी अरबियन ग्रैंड प्रिक्स? सो दिस इज मैक्स वर्स्टैपन, ओके, मैक्स वर्स्टैपन। The foundation stone to set up a learning and development center of BNMPL has been laid at which place? So this is Mysore. Okay, Mysore. Indian Army version of medium range surface to air missile has been developed by DRDO in partnership with which country? So this is Israel. Recently, Israel and India collaborate for various defense procurement. Okay. Which film has won the Best Picture award at the 94th Academy Awards? So this is Coda, CODA. Okay. The first ever road project made out of waste steel has come up in which city of India? So this is in Surat, Gujarat. Okay. अगला question. Which country's Gilbert Hogbo has been appointed as the next director of the International Labour Organization? So this is Togo. Okay, Togo. Which state has topped the Export Preparedness Index 2021? So this is Gujarat. एक्सपोर्ट प्रिपेयर्डनेस इंडेक्स में गुजरात पहले नंबर पर आता है। तो दोस्तों ये वीडियो काफ़ी लेट हो गया, इसके लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। और अप्रैल के वीडियो भी आपको बहुत ही जल्द मिलेंगे। और अगर आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि अभी हाल ही में एग्ज़ाम होंगे IBPS के, इसमें RRB PO क्लर्क होगा, और नेशनलाइज बैंक PO का क्लर्क होगा, और SBI क्लर्क PO होगा। LIC सुन रहे हैं कि असिस्टेंट आने वाला, लेकिन अभी ऑफिशियल कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है, तो फेक न्यूज़ पे मत जाइए, लेकिन पढ़ाई करते रहिए। अगर नोटिफिकेशन आए तो आप प्रिपेयर रहें। ओके, चलिए इसी नोट के साथ ये वीडियो का एंड। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग, हैव एन ऑसम डे। थैंक यू।